These are my super easy shortcut graham cracker ice cream cookie sandwich cookies that come together in about 5 minutes and then 2+ hours in your freezer, and you have about a dozen. You just slice them and then you eat them and enjoy them. Mine have a beautiful cinnamon, vanilla, and little chocolate chip filling between regular honey grahams, but you could use chocolate grahams, you can use any other oblong cookie that works. You have a delicious ice cream treat for your enjoyment. Let's get started.
First, I need to mix up my non-dairy whipped topping, my sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, cinnamon, and some chocolate chips. I'm using a coconut milk version for both the non-dairy whipped topping and the sweetened condensed milk. Really great for non-dairy. Then you line a baking sheet with plastic wrap, line your grahams, your filling, more grahams, freeze these, slice them, and then enjoy. They are so good. You're going to love them.